Hello, friends and lovers of mathematics all over the globe, notwithstanding the geographical location you are watching us from. You are welcome to Increasers Mathematics Clinic. I am your friend and instructor, Joseph, the director, Increasers Model Academy. We offer YouTube tutorials on basic fundamentals of mathematics to pupils in the primary school, students in the secondary school, and undergraduates in the various tertiary institutions. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Increasers_Academy, YouTube videos and tutorials. Put on your thinking cap as we navigate through salient mathematical concepts. Today, I'll be talking about the angle of elevation and depression. What then is the angle of elevation? The angle of elevation or the angle of inclination is the angle formed or constructed by a horizontal line and the line joining an object with the observer's line of sight. The diagram below illustrates the angle of elevation. The angle of consideration here is the angle theta. In solving problems on the angle of elevation and depression, there are two key factors that should be observed. Number one is the horizontal line or the horizontal distance. The horizontal distance. And then we also have the second factor, which is the distance, the height. The height of the object, or the height of a tower, or it may be the height of a cliff. So when we want to solve problems on elevation and depression, we make use of trigonometrical ratio. The angle of elevation of the top of a cliff 15 meters high from a landmark is 60 degrees. How far is the landmark from the foot of the cliff? Leave your answer in short form. We have to represent this in a diagram. So if this is the landmark and this is the top of the cliff and this is the foot of the cliff, so that means the height of the cliff was given, which is 15 meters. The distance between the landmark and the foot of the cliff is not given, which we can call LF. Then the angle is 60 degrees here, which is between the horizontal and the observer's line of sight. So we are actually looking for LF. For us to find LF, we have to use trigonometrical ratio. We know that in trigonometry that sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And then cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. While tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So tan theta also is equal to, theta itself is equal to tan inverse of That is when you are looking for the angle of elevation. So from this representation, we can now use this to resolve this. So looking at the question, what we use to find LF is the formula here, which is tan theta is equals to opposite all over adjacent. But before we do that, we will use to find the value for the spatial angle, which is 60 degrees. So in a equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So if this is 2, and this is 2 units, and this is 2 units, that's the side being equal. Then this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and this is 60 degrees, equal angle. If I bisect this, I will have a right angle triangle. Then bringing out one of a right angle triangle with height, this is 1, this is 2. I will look for the height using Pythagoras theorem. I have that h squared is equal to 2 squared minus 1 squared. So h is equal to the root of 2 squared minus 1 squared, meaning that h is equal to 4 minus 1. H then is equal to root 3. So I have h as root 3. Then that this is 60 and this is 30. This is root 3. Sin 60 degree is equal to opposite of a hypotenuse, which is root 3 over 2. And then cos 60 is equal to adjacent of a hypotenuse, which is 1 over 2, times 60 then is equal to opposite over adjacent, so 3 over 1 equals root 3. Then coming to 30, we have that sin 30 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is half, cos 30 will give us adjacent over hypotenuse, which is root 3 all over 2, and then tan 30 opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over root 3, which is equals to all over 3, using sword. So these are the values for the spatial angle. Then applying these, 15 all over LF is equal to tan 60 degree, which is opposite over adjacent. So this implies that our LF is equal to 15 all over tan 60 degree. So that will give us that LF is equal to 15 all over. Our tan 60 is root 3 all over root 3. We simplify this times root 3 all over root 3. That will give us 15 root 3 all over 3, which is also equal to 3 will cancel 3, 3 will cancel 15 is 5, which is 5 root 3. That is our value for that height of the, for the distance between